While the party was nice, the party was pumping. And everybody having a ball. Until the fellas started name calling. And the girls respond to the call. Liverpool would shout out, who let the dogs out? 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 I see the dance people had a ball, cause she really found them get out. Get back, Ruffy, bash Ruffy, get back, Ruffy, infested mongrel.
Rolle.
I tell myself I might know get angry. Where the girls calling them K9. Hey, but they tell me, hey man,